Hello, everybody. I hope all is well with you and you are staying safe and healthy. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share another Premiere Pro tutorial how you can easily remove any kind of spots, objects from your clip. The technique I'm going to use is pretty easy and simple. I have learned it from another YouTube tutorial. It works perfectly on the clip like this, where there is not much movement. You get 100% result, at least I have got it. But let me be very honest here that you won't always get 100% result on a clip like this. I have tried this method many times and I got a good result, but I specially chose this clip to show you why you wouldn't get 100% result on a clip like this. So now let's get into the process and let's start with the easy one. I have already selected the clip. Now I'll go to the effect tab and type dust to get the dust and scratches filter. I will now drag and drop the filter onto my clip. I'm using a lips mask here. Zoom in and select the size that fits the dust pot. For this clip, I will only use that mask radius and feather. I would say, depending on your clip, play with the radius percentage, but for feather, don't go beyond 15%. I will explain shortly why I didn't go beyond 15% feather. I'm using the same technique on this clip also, except I would drag the mask manually for each frame and change the mask when it is required. You can select the track mask forward option based on your clip, but you will know why I didn't select that and why I thought of working on each frame. On a clip like this where the clouds are continuously moving, it won't work well. As you can see here, I'm selecting each frame and adjusting the mask. Those who have tried this method know that this is a lengthy process and also know that this is the way to get a good result. And now let me explain why I told you earlier that do not go beyond 15% feather. Well, if you increase the feather more, the dust spot or any blemishes that you have in your clip will be visible again. Actually, it all depends on the spots that you have in your clip. For this clip, 15% feather worked best, so I chose 15% feather. You can play around and see what percentage works best for you. As you can see how time consuming it is, so I would suggest that get yourself a rocket blower and clean your camera with that time to time, especially before you go out and shoot. I myself do the sensor cleaning at home, but I would not recommend that to you if you haven't done it before. I'm someone who doesn't like to spend time on post-processing, but I'm someone also forgot to check my camera, and so I had to do it this way. If you want to save time, please check your camera before you film anything. It's really time taking. I hope you are finding this useful, and please let me know if you have tried this method or if you are going to try this. And also please let me know if you know any better way to do this. I would love to follow your method too. I have tried other methods as well, but this method worked best for me, so I thought of sharing how I am doing it. To compare, I worked both in Premiere Pro and in After Effects, and I have got the tutorial ready how to do it in After Effects. If anyone want to watch, please let me know that. Also, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I thank you all for your patience and thank you all for watching this tutorial. It took me 45 minutes to complete the whole process and another 15 minutes for rendering. I hope this is going to be helpful for some of you. If you think it is useful and helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. So far I have made the videos on the topics that once I was looking for. If you like my content, you can also suggest me what kind of videos you would like to watch. I am almost done. I will add this time-lapse video at the end. You can check it out and see how it turned out. I thank you all for watching this video till the end. I will see you in my next video. So long, please take care.